This video was sponsored by Xfinity Mobile. What is going on, everyone? Andrew Edwards here, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you all about the new Samsung Galaxy S23 series that just launched and how you can get them with some amazing deals from Xfinity Mobile. So Samsung recently announced their new Galaxy S23 series, and the lineup looks great. I've been using this Galaxy S23 Ultra myself for just over 2 weeks now, and I love it. Starting with the display, the Galaxy S23 has a 120Hz adaptive screen that can go up to QHD plus resolution, which means you'll get super smooth animations and crisp text. The screen can also adjust the refresh rate and brightness depending on what you're watching and where you're watching it, which can save you some battery and optimize the performance. The screen also supports HDR10+, which will give you more vibrant and realistic colors and contrast when watching matching content. Of course, the big one that people want to talk about each year is going to be the camera. The camera system on the Galaxy S23 is one of the most advanced and versatile that you can find on any smartphone. The S23 Ultra in particular has a pro-grade camera system with a huge 200 megapixel sensor and 10x optical zoom, which can let you take amazing photos and videos in just about any situation. There's also the 100x space zoom, which you've probably seen on your various social feeds with people taking pictures of the literal moon. When it comes to video on the Galaxy S23, you've got some great features there too. It can now record in up to 8K resolution at 30 frames per second, compared to 8K at 24 frames per second on the S22 Ultra. It also supports 4K at 60 frames per second, Full HD at 120 frames per second, and 960 frames per second for super slow motion recording. The camera also features adaptive VDIS, or Video Digital Image Stabilization, which analyzes movements and recognizes lighting conditions to provide stable footage. Additionally, the optical image stabilization angle on the S23 Ultra is 2 times wider than that of the S22 Ultra, resulting in even more stable and true-to-life videos. The camera also features noise reduction, which enhances sharpness while reducing noise for crisp videos even in low light conditions. And the new Astro Hyperlapse mode allows you to capture the night sky and star movements just by tapping into the 300x setting in hyperlapse mode. Next, let's talk about the performance. The performance on these phones is beast mode thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor that can handle just about anything you throw at it. Whether you want to play games, multitask like a pro, or edit photos and videos right on your phone, the processor can deliver fast and smooth performance. You can pair that with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of storage, which gives you all the memory and space you need for your apps and files. Then there's the battery. The batteries on these phones are massive and vary depending on the model. The Galaxy S23 has a 3900 mAh battery, while the 23 Plus has a 4700 mAh battery, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a massive 5000 mAh battery. So that means the S23 and S23 Plus have a battery capacity increase of around 200 mAh each compared to the S22 variants, while the S23 Ultra has the same battery size as the S22 Ultra, but with the more efficient chip on the inside, you're actually getting an increase in battery life. You also get fast charging and fast wireless charging, which can give you that quick boost when you need it. And the phones also support reverse wireless charging, which can let you share the power from the battery with other devices like your earbuds or your smartwatch. So obviously, these are some of the best phones you can get right now, and they come in 3 sizes. The Galaxy S23 has a 6.1 inch display, the S23 Plus has a 6.5 inch display, and the S23 Ultra has the largest at 6.8 inches. If you're thinking of picking one of these up and you're looking to save some money, that's where Xfinity Mobile and Comcast Business Mobile come in. These are the wireless services from Comcast that offer you flexibility, value, and reliability. You can choose from 2 simple and straightforward plans. There's by the gig or unlimited, both with no contracts. You can also mix and match different lines on the same account to suit your needs. Xfinity Mobile uses Verizon's network, which is the largest in the nation, and also gives you access to millions of secure Wi-Fi hotspots. You get unlimited 5G at $30 per line for 2 or more lines, saving over 50% compared to AT&T, 45% compared to Verizon, and 25% compared to T-Mobile for 2 lines. If you order any of the new Galaxy devices from Xfinity Mobile or Comcast Business Mobile, you can take advantage of a couple of great deals that will save you hundreds of dollars. For example, you can get $800 off when you buy any Galaxy S23 device and trade in an eligible device, or save $500 with a 24-month device payment plan when you port in a new number and activate a new line within 30 days of purchase. Now, I'll leave a link below to where you can get all the details of the deals you can get when buying one of the new Galaxy S23 devices through Xfinity Mobile if you want to check them out for yourself. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.